welcome back to my new video. Let's review some Maldives snacks. So now I eat Riha Kuru Gulha. This is the Maldives snacks. You see this name? I think it's spicy, but I love spicy. So let's try it. Bismillah. Let's smell. Oh, spicy smell. So let's try this. Bismillah. It's a little bit of salt in it. Spicy salt. It's not sweet. It's so spicy. If you're a spicy lover, you will be love that. Let's have it. It's so good. So good. It's so spicy. Oh my god. It's so good. Let's do it. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye bye.